JB Morrow, go and get your bag.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Katia and I'm back with another YouTube video. And today I'm going to be doing like a wig customization tutorial. Yeah, so right now, I got a 30-inch bust down. Oh yeah, this is my room, y'all. I made it real cute. So, let me see. Y'all, I probably broke it. Look at I hit it on the table. It's kind of blue. Okay. Before I even bleach or pluck, I just take this hair and I just hot comb it all back. Where's my comb? I'm back. I'm gonna like pull some of this hair out. Okay. Some people like pluck first or they bleach knots first, but I think I'm gonna do a little bit of plucking before and after. I need to find the rest of my pans. So this is what I put just now. I'm gonna comb it back again so you can see how it looks. Like I said, I'm gonna do a little plucking before and after because, you know, some hair might come out when I'm bleaching it now. So. Also, I got this wig from AliExpress for, it was like 120 something, it's a 30-inch. Very full. It's 180 density, so that's pretty good for 30-inch, you know. You don't want to pluck too much. You don't want to pluck too little because as you wear the wig balds. So. If you pluck it too much, by the third wear, it's gonna be like all the way back here. You feel me? So you don't want to pluck too much. Also, guys, comment down below which intro you like best out of the different intros that I was just using my past couple of videos. So I'll comb it again, so that when I do put the bleach on, it doesn't get on the hair. We're just bleaching the knots, we're not bleaching the hair. And you want to prevent over bleaching. I'm just gonna spray it with a little bit of whatever spray you use. I just bought this spritz. So just spray it a little bit, because you're gonna wash it. You're about to wash it anyway after you get done with bleaching it. This is so that it keeps all the hair back, like I said. It smells good too. It smells like, I don't know, but what flavor is that? It smells good. So then I'm going to do like this. And flip the wig inside out. Some people say don't bleach it on this head because it goes through, but I never had that problem. So then, just the key is to, when you're putting it on the wig, don't press the bleach in like all the way. Just put it on there very lightly so that it doesn't bleed through. So they say spray this too, but ooh. Okay, we're back. So I got this 40 volume developer. It's a VW2 packet. This is what you need. Okay. So you need to say this. So I'm just gonna do little by little so that I can eyeball. This is the consistency. I'm going to add some more powder. This. Ooh. That's so good. So it's this consistency. This one I'm going to go with, because I don't have no more. So I'll make sure it's toothpaste consistency. So we're just gonna lightly put it in there. Let's let that in there. Yo, this is my focus face. So if I'm doing that, Don't even mind me. I'm focused. Alright, it's been like 12 minutes. I'm about to check. I'm about to wash it out, y'all. I think I got the roots. Not the roots, but I think I got the hair. Now that she's all blown out, we're going to repeat the first step, which is hot combing everything back with the wax stick. Bitch, I'm a baddie, I get what I want, like. Bitch, I'm a baddie, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. He want my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past him, he sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He likes the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She keep on staring cause shorty a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. Be careful not to pluck too hard because you can rip a hole in your lace. Okay, this is what I use. So, let's take the wig off. So once you have put the wig on, cut your ear tabs, all of that, and just let it sit for a while. I also put some like a spritz on here before I cut. Oh, I forgot to cut this back piece too. Hold on. I have my boyfriend do that. Well, also you could take these little clips. This is what lace glue I use, boho. So look. If y'all want to learn how to glue it down and all of that, y'all better go to Kane's page. That's how I learned. I was on Kane's page, just watching. Like, she does good wig tutorials. It's like really common sense. Honestly, the more videos you watch, you just put it together and just do the steps. So you cut it in sections. Let me get my this thing. I think I'm gonna do this in the bathroom because so I can get like a little closer. I don't think none of that. Oops. I need a fucking tripod. This is crazy. But yeah, I'm finna do this right quick. Wait till just wait. Take my ears out. Take some and like do it all around. Then you want to like blow dry it in low cool. This is an important step. If you notice, like when you take your lace band off and it's sticky, this is why. Because you don't dry it before you put the lace band down. You see how it didn't like stick to the thing? That's because I blow dried it before I put the thing on. It's giving scalp very much so. If you don't think so, you're a hater. So now I'm about to use some makeup. Not too much because we don't want the lace to get cakey really fast. So just, bam.
Feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like bitch stay down, let's keep it a beam.
You're gonna cut it.
I still feel I can't fit in a jean.
Curl it. You can either cut like upwards or downwards, whatever's better for you. So I'm gonna do that for both sides. It's not stand down.
I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. You in my body, he telling me please. I won't come past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm
In the cut, one more time. You vibing.
He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still, he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still, he gon' do what I say.
You see it? I'm doing $60 installs, but now 30-inch on a mat. In the cut with my twin, we be vibing. Alright, y'all. This is the end. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you get a notification every time I post. Road to 500 subscribers, so yeah.
James about that check, boy.
I told you. Been holding back this